Hello everyone. If you are like me who think that plastic pollution is real and that it should go sooner than later, then we all are for some good news. Because only yesterday in UNEA, a global plastics treaty was endorsed. What is this treaty going to be like? More on that in this video. So let's get started. In my last video, I had showed through numbers how bad the plastic pollution has become, what UNEA is, and what global plastic treaty might look like. So what actually happened was that 175 nations came together, and that's a big number, to endorse a historic resolution to end plastic pollution. So the fact that 175 nations have put their weight behind this treaty is something truly historic. What more happened was this. It was agreed upon to forge an internationally legally binding agreement. Now friends, having a legally binding agreement on an international scale is of consequence for sure, because the commitments will be monitored. And the timeline was given that the treaty should be ready by 2024. A special body has been set up, the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, also called the INC. And by the end of this year, UNEP will convene a forum for open discussions and knowledge sharing on a worldwide basis. And that will continue right up to the time the treaty comes into reality. So what would this treaty look like? There are three salient features to it. The first and the most important is that the life cycle of plastics will be taken into consideration. And that would mean not only the use and the disposal, but also the production aspect with respect to the impact on environment. So this is a more holistic way of looking at the plastics picture. Specifically, more work will be done on the designing of reusable and recyclable products. Now, if the plastics in use are being reused and recycled, then less will go to waste. And that's why this is something really welcome. And then, of course, it was agreed to that enhanced international collaboration will be there in terms of technology sharing, capacity building, and technical cooperation. And in these 2 years, whatever has been continuing will continue as usual, with UNEP also helping out the countries and businesses in their efforts on circular economy and plastics management. Plastics came to our life as a blessing, and it continues to be that way. Such a treaty was required, and now that it is into making, there is a ray of hope. That's it for now in this video. Till my next video, take care and go green to get green.